What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be answering the question, is it worth it to do Uber if you only have 1 or 2 hours to work? Hey Seth, your order's here. So I'm on my way to pick up the first order now. I believe it was a $16 order to bring me close to my normal work zone. I actually got the order from my house, so might as well make some money, you know? Might as well make another video for y'all as well. They offering an add-on right now, but it's not good. It says $9 for 18 miles. Wow. Thanks, but no thanks, Uber. Got jokes today. Yo, DoorDash got jokes today too. I don't know. Is this a real order? What do y'all think? Somebody ordered 3 bananas. The pay was $16, but I'm already doing the order. Would you have delivered that order? Let me know in the comments below. So once you get to the customer, this is a metered door order, so you don't have to take a picture or anything. You just confirm that the customer has the order after you give it to them. So one thing that's important to understand is the stats. You're probably wondering how important they are, which ones are most important. Alright, so if you look at your profile, you look at the stats, I'll show you what mine are now. Alright, so you have the acceptance rate, the cancellation rate, and the customer satisfaction rate. The acceptance rate, I think I'm around 10%. I normally am around 5 to 20%. It's not important to keep your acceptance rate high. I don't really think it affects your chances of getting orders. But as long as you're in the right areas at the right times, you'll get good orders, no matter what your acceptance rate is. Secondly, we have the cancellation rate. I'm normally between like 5 and 10%. I'm trying to keep it below 5% going forward, because you need to be below 5% to be the higher rewards tier. There's like green, gold, platinum, based on how many deliveries you do. I would say that has more of an effect on the offers you receive than your acceptance rate. So I'm going to try to improve that, see if it helps out going forward. Lastly, we got the customer satisfaction rate. I think I'm at 99% right now. I'm normally like 97 to 100%. I think this is the most important when it comes to who gets the orders first. Whoever has the best satisfaction rate is going to get the orders first. Alright, so we just got another order from Chick-fil-A, $16, 10 miles. Just picked up that order. We're going to head over to the drop-off now. Alright, so we just arrived at our customer's house. Make sure you let them know that you've arrived once you get to your destination. Hey Seth, your order's here. Alright, so we just got a $9 order. That's gonna bring me back where I live. So So this order wasn't ready, so I clicked the not ready button. I'll show you how that works. This is a leave at door order, so you just got to take a picture at the door. Alright, so we just dropped off that $9 order. That concludes our shift. We worked about an hour, 45 minutes. We made about $42 in 3 deliveries. Not bad, not bad. We'll take it. So to answer the question, yes, it looks like it is worth it working short shifts during the dinner rush. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And we'll be back with another video soon. Stay tuned. Hey Seth, your order's here.